This 2024 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36D is a Class A RV. It is located in Mims, FL 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 444 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, Slideout, Awning, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36D is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.